Rogers Voice is a voice over IP VoIP service that lets you make calls over the internet. This section will guide you through the setup process. First, download and install the Rogers app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the app and sign in using your Rogers username and password, or create an account if you're a new user. Verification via SMS or email will be required. Next, navigate to the voice or phone section in the app and tap Setup Voice or Activate. Grant the app permissions for your microphone, contacts, and notifications. You can choose to keep your existing mobile number or select a new one. However, fees may apply when porting. Finally, test a call using the test number provided in the app to ensure connectivity. Remember, Rogers Voice uses your internet connection for calls, so ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Bandwidth requirements are minimal, but HD calling needs 1 Mbps. Now that you've set up Rogers Voice, let's activate your voicemail. From the voice menu in the Rogers app, tap Voicemail or Settings. Select Activate Voicemail if it's not already enabled. Customize your settings by recording a personalized greeting either through the app or by phone. Enable transcription to receive real-time summaries of your voicemails and choose your preferred notification settings, such as app alerts, SMS, or email. To access voicemail traditionally, dial 98 from your linked phone or use the app's voicemail tab. Rogers Voicemail is cloud-based, storing messages, with AI transcription summarizing messages in real time, reducing listen time. If you encounter any issues during the setup process, restart the app, check your internet connection, or contact Rogers support via chat.